Page 89. Perimeter is the measure of the total length of the boundary of a shape. If you imagine a big field, for example, and you walked all along the outside of that field, you would walk what's called a perimeter. Now imagine you wanted to show that field on a map. You'd need a huge map to show the size of the field, so use what's called a scale, where every 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, as in 1 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeters. So looking at this field here, every 1 centimeter here in real life is worth 1 meter. That's known as scale. So to find the perimeter, you would add all these different sides together to get the total perimeter. This is known as the length, this is the length, this is the width, and this is the width. This is a scale drawing of 2 pitches. Every small square is worth 10 meters in real life. So there's 10 meters, there's another 10 meters, and another 10 meters, and another 10 meters, and so on. The outer area is Croke Park. So you see my arrow, that's going to be the perimeter. The inner is the Aviva Stadium. So to find the length of Croke Park, for 1A you go from here to here, count your number of boxes. So every box is worth 10 meters, so there's 10 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, and so on. When you get to the end, it looks about halfway, so that's probably worth about 5 meters. For 1B, the length of the Aviva pitch, again, each of these is worth 10 meters. 1C, how wide is it? The Aviva pitch from here to here. How much wider is the Croke Park pitch? Be careful with this question. How much wider is it? So you find the width of Croke Park, and then you take away the width of the Aviva. For E, the perimeter, you add up this width, and this width, and this length of the Aviva. The perimeter of Croke Park, add up your 2 lengths, and add up your 2 widths. And for part G, what's the difference? Well, your total answer here for the perimeter of Croke Park, take away your answer for the perimeter of the Aviva will give you the difference for 1G. For question 2, each square is worth 1 square meter, which means that the outside of each square is 1 meter. So 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. You estimate first, so you have a quick glance and you reckon how many meters to get all the way around, and then you measure. So you measure by going 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on until you get all the way around the shapes. But do your estimate first by having a look and seeing how close you can get.